my summer in a Ziploc bag. Old maps and tchotchkes, photographs of this and that. I'll write myself a letter so that I'll remember all. What if I don't hold on to this red string? Can't retrace my old steps, the songs I used to sing. If the birds all eat my breadcrumbs, how will I know who I was? Call me the sentimental type, nostalgic, but I have to prove that I was here. What if I forget that I was here? I can't forget that I was here. I was here. Boxes on boxes you'd call worthless stuff, but I get a glow each time I go open it up. If memory's a treasure, I'm trying to be a billionaire.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush. And I put up my wall so my heart won't get crushed. Cause when you're looking in my eyes, it's like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play, but when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting, cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool now. Tell me, when can I see you again? But maybe this time not as just friends. I'm feeling hot, baby, you got me hooked. These feelings just cannot be overlooked. And I'm so tired of waiting, babe. I'm so over this patient phase. It's not overrated, it's not complicated. It's love, it's love. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that learn to play, but when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting, cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool. Yeah, 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 no. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. It's love. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. It's love. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play, but when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting, cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool. Yeah, you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush. And I put up my walls so my heart won't get crushed, 'cause
Pack up my summer in a Ziploc bag. Old maps and tchotchkes, photographs said this and that. I'll write myself a letter so that I'll remember all. What if I don't hold on to this red string? Can't retrace my old steps, the songs I used to sing. If the birds all eat my breadcrumbs, how will I know who I was? Call me the sentimental type, nostalgic, but I have to prove that I was here. What if I forget that I was here? I can't forget that